I'm here on this chiller train. Oh, she won't fire. I got a code. The code is BE6. Trains makes it a little difficult sometimes to read their diagram. Code says E6. That error code E6 phase reversal, phase lockout, power up. Let me check this out. Let's see. Let me just show you guys what we have here. Train water-cooled chiller. Condenser tube right there. The two compressors. Let me see the model number of this compressor. It's a 30-ton system here. Two of these compressors, 150s. A little over 30. Wait, 120, 120. This is a 150. So take a look and see what's up. Indoor evapotors. Guys, something strange just happened here. I just played around with these boards. We just banged them around and the sucker came on. It's fucking strange, man. Sometimes you just need to bang on this shit. The error code just departed. I don't know how it happened, but it happened.